Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something a little different. It's not another make money online hype fest or some get-rich-quick scheme. I actually came across this unique concept called the PDF Flipping Masterclass, and after diving into what it offers, I knew I had to bring it to you because this might just be the simplest way to build a real income stream online without burning out, spending a fortune, or becoming a tech wizard. So let me set the stage. Imagine you're sitting at home with your laptop, maybe a cup of coffee in hand, and you've got access to a simple system that teaches you how to take existing digital files, like ebooks, checklists, planners, or guides, and turn them into products people actually want to buy. Now imagine doing all of this without creating anything from scratch, without dealing with ads, and without spending hours trying to go viral on social media. That's what the PDF Flipping Masterclass is all about. This is a live, 3-day training led by a digital entrepreneur named Miestro. What I like about his style is that it's not flashy, not pushy, just practical. He's someone who's made a career out of building income systems that work, especially for people who are starting with limited time, tech skills, or money. That's why this masterclass stood out to me. The core idea is flipping digital content. You take underused digital products, like PLR files, which stands for private label rights, and you learn how to rebrand, repackage, and resell them. You're not just copying and pasting someone else's work. The training walks you through how to ethically and legally make the content your own. That includes editing titles, improving designs, adding new visuals, and creating something that actually offers value. What's even cooler is that the tools you'll use are mostly free or super affordable. Now, the training doesn't assume you're some marketing genius or design expert. It's very beginner-friendly. It starts with the basics of what flipping PDFs even means, then moves into how to find good quality PLR content, and from there, how to make it look polished and professional, even if you've never used Canva or designed anything in your life. They even include editable templates to speed things up. One of the biggest selling points for me was that this system doesn't rely on algorithms. You don't have to play the Instagram or TikTok game, constantly posting and praying something goes viral. Instead, you learn how to get your products in front of people who are already looking to buy, using platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. These platforms already have traffic. You just need the right product and the right niche. And speaking of niches, the masterclass dives into that too. You don't have to guess what kind of PDFs sell. Miestro breaks down which markets are hot, what types of digital products people are searching for, and how to find your angle, whether it's productivity planners, health guides, financial templates, or something completely offbeat. You'll learn how to spot what's trending and what's worth your time. You also get a breakdown of organic marketing strategies. That means no paid ads. You'll learn how to use SEO, forums, niche communities, and other free methods to drive traffic to your products. That alone is worth the price of admission. And speaking of price, the entire masterclass is just a one-time payment of $19. Honestly, that's lower than most people spend on lunch, and you're getting lifetime access, plus any future updates Miestro adds to the course. Another perk? There's a private community you can join, where you can connect with other people taking the course, ask questions, share ideas, and stay motivated. And if you're not feeling it after giving it a try, there's a full 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. So if you're someone who wants to start a digital business but doesn't want to deal with ads, funnels, or the stress of constantly creating original content, this might be your best starting point. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, a freelancer, or someone just looking to earn a little extra without a steep learning curve, this is the kind of opportunity that fits into real life. I'm not saying this will make you rich overnight, but I do believe it can be a real scalable income stream if you stick with it and stay consistent. For less than $20, you get to learn a skill you can use again and again, and that's something I think more people need in today's digital world. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more real-world strategies, and let me know in the comments if you're thinking about joining the PDF Flipping Masterclass. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions. Catch you in the next one.